We designed the space to be very simple in architecture. It was a full gut renovation, so we started from scratch. The patterns, although they are bold, they all seem to work with the existing artwork and photography, and that was the goal. The clients love pink and blue. I was very surprised when I suggested using yellow, and they at first were reticent about it, but then they came to love the idea. And as you can see in the living room, it really packs a punch. I'd have to say that my favorite design element was the living room fireplace. It has a lot of details and a lot of materials. There's reeding that's lacquered, there's stone, and there's reverse painted glass. So there's a lot of design, but still it reads quite simple. The biggest challenge in designing this space was dealing with the existing structure. There were a lot of beams in the ceilings of this apartment that we had to work around. And one way in which we did that was to create coves that would hide the beams, but also accentuate the ceiling height wherever possible. And in the dining room, because of the beam locations, we created a circular cove also with lighting. The painted floor in the dining room followed a similar concept where it was bold and powerful, but at the same time receded so that it wasn't the main focus of the room. I think one of my favorite rooms is the kitchen. The kitchen was a labor of love. One of the biggest wow factors in the apartment, especially for visitors, would have to be the tiled ceiling in the kitchen. I don't think many people have tiled ceilings. I think the space planning was a big undertaking because in most New York City apartments, space is very precious. And I think that we planned it out to be very functional and give generous rooms. They really trusted us to take it to a different level.